He roared with fearsome force.
And they have to force it, and I don't want us to have to do that.
When I'm overwhelmed, I force myself to do one simple thing before I have to make a decision.
Look, honey, I love you, but the next time you force yourself on me, I'll take the balls with me.
Use the shape of the triangle. Is that when these 3 points connect, if we find the center of gravitational force, it creates almost perfect balance.
Force. As a noun, physical power or strength. As a verb, to make someone do something against their will. The storm hit with great force. He used all his force to push the door open. Don't force people to agree with you. The police had to use minimal force to control the situation. The law cannot force someone to change their beliefs.